New and used RV sales are at a record high. If you don't get an inspection, you may end up paying for things twice. This is Howard with the NRVIA, and this is what to expect when inspecting. Okay, so you've decided to purchase that new RV. You're at the dealership, and they say, we do a 200-point PDI inspection and we do a walkthrough. And you have heard about NRVIA inspector, and now you're convinced that you need to have one. And when presented at the dealership, they say, that's not necessary, we do that, we'll take care of that for you. Well, I can tell you right now, they don't have enough time to spend the amount of time with that RV that we do. That a certified NRVIA inspector that will spend 4 to 8 hours with that RV combing through up to as many as 500 things they're going to touch to evaluate possible problems, life safety issues, problems with electrical, problems with propane, problems with sealant on the roof, possible issues with the frame, tires, all sorts of things, leaf spring clips, hangers. There's just so many things that we look at when it comes to these RVs. So yes, they offer a service, but they don't go to the level of detail that we do. So if you want to purchase that and trust the dealership that they're going to do that walkthrough with you and spend 45 minutes teaching you how to use that RV, which will not nearly be enough, and do their PDI, that's great. But you will be back for warranty service, and you probably have to wait a month, 2, or maybe even 3 months while that RV sits waiting to get attention from a technician there at the dealership, when if you had hired an NRVIA inspector, that could have been addressed before you actually signed on the dotted line. So reach out to that certified NRVIA inspector and let them do the work for you. And once you've purchased that, if you want to go through a detailed walkthrough where they're actually going to teach you how to operate those complicated systems in that RV, then they'll do that with you as well. If you'd like to find a certified NRVIA inspector, you can go to nrvia.org and locate one there. Thinking about becoming a certified RV inspector? Click on the link below to download the latest copy of our ebook and learn what it takes to become a certified NRVIA RV inspector.